Hey, welcome to Ryobi. So today we're going to compare two die grinder. So we get the Ryobi brushless and the Milwaukee brushless. And then we're going to grind the paint off the two square here to 2-inch square. And then each grinder is going to grind the paint off one of the square. Now unfortunately I just have one abrasive pad, so we'll have to share between both grinders. Both die grinders have a full battery charge. The part number for this Ryobi grinder is the PSBDG01, and for the Milwaukee brushless fuel is the 2485-20. We are going to start this test using the Ryobi one. And following the Ryobi is the Milwaukee one. I use the same pad, but as you can see, it's still pretty new. For the first test, unfortunately, I had this die grinder at speed number 2. So now we're going to put speed number 4. And I had this die grinder here at speed number 3. So we'll have to make them more even. So speed number 4 as well. So I rated 2 line. Now I'm running out of space on this plate here. So one of them is going to have a couple of holes into the grinding spot, but it will still give us an idea of noise and speed. So for this one, we'll start with the Milwaukee one. Did a good job. Now I changed the disc to the Ryobi one. Now both die grinder are excellent. Milwaukee one is the noise level is way less than the Ryobi one, but they can be both practical in their own way. Here, this one I have the angle, so it moves the battery out of the way a little bit. This one here, the battery is smaller, so you don't really need to move it that much out of the way. Now, if we compare them side by side here. So the Ryobi one needs a little bit more room in order to be able to reach. And of course the battery is always like way bigger than the other one. As for how tall they are, the Milwaukee one, the whole head is taller. So now if you're going into a small space, that might be in the way too. But you know, you can say the same thing about the battery here. It might be in the way if it's small space. So they both have their advantage and disadvantage. We'll have to see. I'll do the test or count how long it took to grind up the paint of this plate here. But it feels to me that the Ryobi one is way faster. Now it might be because it's an 18-volt battery too, while the fuel system uses the 12 volt one. But in the same time, in this one here, we're using a 2 amp hour battery, while this one here is a 6 amp hour battery. So a 6 amp hour battery should have give us way more power, which would probably make them pretty even at the end of the day. You have more amp hour in this battery here, which is a smaller 12-volt battery, and less amp power into that 18-volt. So yeah, we'll see how the video turned out for the speed test, but yeah, both of them are great tools. Well, if you like video like this, stay tuned and subscribe, because I got a lot more video like this coming up. We're gonna start doing comparison video in between tools of the same brand and tools of different brand. So yeah, subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.